Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a round shoulder bag. So we'll be using this gum stay, Ankara fabric, lining, zip, tape rope and scissors. You get a dinner plate like this one I'm holding, and the width is 10.5 inches. So this is the wrong side of your Ankara fabric. You place your plate on it and draw out a circle. I'm going to draw out 2 circles using this dinner plate. Now I'll draw the other one on this side. This is the first circle. I'm going to cut this other circle the same way I cut this. So guys, this is the 2 circles. Then for the gum stay and the lining, I'm still going to use this dinner plate to cut out 2 circles on the both of them. So guys, I have traced out 2 circles for the interfacing and 2 circles for the lining. So we'll deal with this. Use your hot iron to press your interfacing on your Ankara fabric. So I'll go and do that. So guys, I've used my hot iron to glue the interfacing on the Ankara fabric. So measure your circle round this way with your tape rope, and this is what I have here. This is 36 inches. So you cut out this side to be 36 inches. So if I join this together now, it's 36 inches. Then I made this to be 4.5 inches because of the zip. 4.5, and the width is 14 inches. This is the one we'll be using for the zip part. Then this is the remaining one for the down of the bag. This is 4 inches, and the remaining one is 21.5 inches. So this part that is 4.5 inches, you fold it into 2. I cut interfacing 2, and I cut interfacing for this one. So you fold this into 2 equal parts. I'm going to slit this with our scissors. So you slit this into 2. This is where our zip will stay. Then before then, we're going to use iron to iron this interface down with my Ankara fabric. I'll do the same for this down. So guys, I've ironed this, and I've also ironed this. So we'll use this to cut on the lining first. So I'm going to cut the same thing as this on the lining. I'm going to cut these 2 parts too on the lining. So I'll use this to cut out the lining, and I'll keep this aside. So we'll fix this zip now. So place your zip in between this stitch this way. You bend it to this side and top stitch, and stitch this other part this way. When you bend it to this side, you top stitch. I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I've gone ahead to stitch this zip, and I top stitch, as you can see. So this is what this looks like. So you can bring in the body of your bag now. Let's use one circle first. So this is how your bag will look like. So let's pin. Let me pin this. This is what your bag will look like. Then you now place this your zip part. You have to stitch this part this way before you start attaching it. Then before then, well, our handle will say this is just piece of Ankara fabric I cut out. Fold this way, fold this way, fold it to yourself, then you run a straight stitch. So this should be in between here. Fold it this way. Let it be somewhere here at the middle part. Then you place this way and you stitch. Let me use pin to pin. So this is what to look. This is where we'll fix our handle. So you turn this before you stitch this too. Fix the other Ankara fabric for the handle in between this way. Stitch this, then stitch the rest of the bag. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I've stitched this round, and this is where I said our handle will stay. So you can open this part, this zip, a bit before you stitch this part, so you can turn from here. So we're going to go and stitch this round. I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I've stitched the other side. So this is what our bag look like. Before we turn inside out, we have to make the lining as well. So just the same way we stitch this bag, stitch this part, then the zip part, this part, stitch it this way, and stitch it. That's the way I stitch the bag. I'll go and stitch the lining. So guys, I've stitched the lining. Before I wait for the bag, cut this excess zip. Turn your lining. This is the wrong side. Turn it to the right side. You see that I folded half inch on this zipper side. On both sides, I folded half an inch. So turn your lining to the right side, and then wear it backwards. So after wearing your lining for the bag, this half an inch that you fold, use your needle and thread to run hemming stitch and stitch this part also. When you are done stitching, you tie your thread and cut it off. You can now turn your bag. inside that. So this is what our bag looks like. This is the inside. It's very neat. This is the outside. So this is the chain I want to use for the handle. So this is where I will be fixing this. Our round shoulder bag is ready.